pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne. Welcome back to my channel. And GBPUSD is on the, I think it's on the loose. I really do. It's been consolidating a lot, but I really do like it right now. Now, I got this driver in my hand because I am getting a lesson. So I had to come up here and get a lesson. My driver swing is looking terrible right now. But before I came up here, I recorded my process of marking up the charts for GBPUSD. And if you know me, you know I love when price comes back to the golden zone. So price came back to that golden zone ratio, that 50% level, and I'm about to take advantage of it. Let me show you my process.
All right, here on GBPUSD 1 hour chart, do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Matter of fact, I want to take you to the daily chart. And so when I'm on the daily chart, I'm asking myself, am I in an extension or retracement? That's what I'm asking myself. So when I go down to the lower time frames, I can kind of trade in that direction or hold off. So here's the retracement. And here's the extension. This was the extension because we were in the uptrend, pulling back, made a higher high, shot back up, pulled back, never made a lower low. So we're back into the extension. So since we're back in the extension, matter of fact, look at this Fibonacci level. What do you see here? Price already broke above that 786 right here. That was a good entry, but that was last week. This is the daily chart. So now here we go on a Tuesday, August 13th. And here we go. So how can we go to the lower time frame and get an opportunity? So I'm gonna walk my way down the time frames. All right, I see prices above the 50 on the hour chart. That's cool. And then prices above the 50 on the hour. So this is where I want to make my move at. So here's the thing. I'm looking for a trade opportunity to come maybe like 2 or 3 different ways, because I got 3 different ways that I like to catch pips. All right. They all forming around the same method, like the same foundation, but then it slightly changes depending on the pair, because the way that I trade GU is not the way that I'm going to trade all JPY. It starts out with the same foundation, but then it would change because the characteristics is a little different over there and the time of the day. So the way that all JPY retests, GU won't retest the same way. It's different. To take it a step further, I noticed that AJ would retest better on a 30-minute chart, and GU would retest better on the hour chart. So I'm looking at taking an entry right on this area right here. Another good entry could be down here too. That could be a nice little entry too. That'd be a better risk to reward entry. Yeah, that's nice because I'm seeing how price is respecting all through here. So that might be a go. But how many pips difference would it be from if it retested up here? Oh, that's only 8 pips. So my setup will look like, if I go here, I'll be down here, and then I'll be up at these wicks up here to the left. That's what I'll be targeting. And the reason why I'm liking this entry, just because I see how price is moving at that area. That's really all it takes. This was ideal on this pullback right here. What time was that? 5 a.m. I was knocked out. 5 a.m. right here. That was perfect right there. Cause see how all of these wicks right here, it's the same thing. This actually proves my point. See how all of this structure right here. Price just comes down to these structure levels. I mean, that's just all it does. How else would you, you know, what else would you do? Like, you know what I mean? How else would you trade? Like, look at this right here. You see these peaks right here, these wicks right here? It's just an area, right? And then price comes down. Why does it come down to these areas? So you have to find those good areas and then wait on it. All right. So I'm going to put an entry right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna slide it up some, and I'm gonna let price come back to me. Now that is 32 pips, 20, 26, 27 pips down here. I gotta put it below that low. They've been stop hunting like crazy. So this is gonna be the retest, and I'm just waiting for price to just close up here and come back. It might have a little drawdown, but eventually go up. And as price go up at a certain pip range, somewhere right up in here, once it comes back and go up there, I'm gonna be moving up stop loss and profit. I'm gonna be taking partials along the way. You can go into the description below, click on my Discord link. You can head over there and you can get these real time, get these on time, and you don't never miss one of these trade setups. Just when you head over there, click on the gain access tab to see all the information and how we do things and when we do things.
We're going to Golf Galaxy to get a driver lesson. Your boy been struggling with driver.
I'll have you make at least 5 swings. So I'm gonna be looking at a couple different things each time.
See, that closure rate is terrible. That's what I was doing all last night. I just go like this.
That's because you're swinging from your upper body instead of swinging from your lower body. Big cow, you were completely moving, then it'd be different. But I wanted to show you something too. There's Kepka at impact.
Yeah,
so
left butt cheek.
Gets up to the top. First thing that moves.
And see, look at that being in his right arm. My stuff is straight out. Like,
precisely.
How do I get mine to stay in?
That's what these hip turns do. It's keeping everything nice close to your body. Like you just said, you were like, oh yeah, all you gotta do is turn your hips and your arms naturally come down. Yeah. That's what the hips do.
So I'm up here, and you wanna see, how does that look?
Yep. It's close. Hands got a little early release, but that's all right.
Yeah, I'm gonna be dealing with that though. So I need to be.
Yes. That's why I was saying feel like you stay a little more down through on top of it. So that's what I mean, yeah.
Well, team, look what we got here. After doing my lesson, my driver lesson and all of that stuff, hey, we are in profit. Price took off. Price didn't come back as deep as I thought it would. It just shot straight up. I mean, like, man, but the trend is up, so there's no reason not to take it and just jump into it. You know what I'm saying? Remember, I told you the area ultimately was right here. I don't know if I can't remember if I said that or not, but ultimately the area is right here because that's the higher high level. So once price make the higher high level, or once it breaks the higher high level, boom, it's game on. Even if you got in late, if you see an opportunity like this, guys, keep in mind, I'm making these videos because this is not the last time you're going to see a situation like this. I'm making these like you may not have caught this, but I'm showing you my process before it happens. You know, a lot of people just back test here on YouTube and they just back test it and they kind of replay the market and show you what they would have done. That's cool. It has a place for that. But I'm really trying to take it to the next level for you guys by showing you before it happens. My game plan, win, lose, or draw. I'm not going to win all of them. Matter of fact, I lost one not too long ago. And I put it on YouTube. And we're going to learn from the losses too. But the trend is up. So even if you got in a little late in whatever currency pair and the situation is for you, if it's going with the trend and it makes the higher high, you get in on these pullbacks. You see these wicks right here? 2 wicks in the same little area right there. You see these wicks right here. This wick, 2 wicks. After that, it's gone. You don't want to be too high. You don't want to be entering in this high. You don't want to be doing that. But this is right around where it made the higher high. And the higher high was right on this candle. That's the higher high. Higher high of what? For all my beginners, of this level right here. It's higher. So now let that happen. Let that happen. All right. Now there's one wick to get in. There's one wick. All right. There's two wicks, and it's game on. You gotta take it. You gotta go for it. If you can't go for it, or you too scared to go for it, you're not ready. You need more demo time. You need to back test it more. You need to, you know what I'm saying? You need something like that, but you gotta go for it. The work is done. We done the work before I did my driver lesson. When I marked the charts up and showed y'all, that was the work. Now we react to it once it come to it, once it come to our areas. All right, and that's TP. So that is 30 pips. That's great. The signal was sent this morning for the GU trade, and if I go to the community, Billy got nice, she said nice little profit on that GU trade. So she took advantage of that. That's what's up. Shout out to Billy, because we're looking at another trade opportunity on Euro USD. So this is the paid side of the mentorship. I also have a free side of it as well. And I do lives. I let you come into my live training classes from time to time, but this is the free side. Okay, this is the free side. I'm posting, make sure you get my videos on time, but I'm also giving out signals in here as well from time to time. It's the free side, but some people took advantage of that. Okay, so we getting there, we getting it. This is the free side, but if you want the classes, the intermediate, how to put everything together, how to put it all together in these videos right here, I show you how to put it all together, how to trade patiently. You feel me? This is what y'all need. These videos is what you need. YouTube is not going to let me put these out because they're going to be a little bit longer than 8 minutes. How to put it all together, everything. As a new person, come on, y'all. Y'all know y'all need that. Beginner classes, how to use Fibonacci levels and different things like that. Setting up zones around the 50 SMA. If you trade at 50 simple moving average, you want to set up your zones properly. It's a key to that. All right, mastering the buy and sell zones, it's all in here. All right, take advantage of these opportunities I'm giving y'all. I'm giving you the game, and I'm lacing you all the way up. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and we're gonna keep taking profits, because they don't call us Team Take Profits for nothing. Hey, look, you already know, if you want to keep getting laced up like this and get tips for the pips, then you know what to do. Like this video, comment, and subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.
Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.